Morning, friends. So this week we're talking about baby birds. That's right. And I have you remember what these are? Our binoculars. So we can see the birds up in the sky or in the trees or maybe way down low. Because binoculars help you see things far away. So let's go see if we can see our birdies out in the trees. Let's see. Birdies. Do you see any birdies up here? Nope. No birdies up there. Do I see any birdies down on the ground? Birdies. Where are you? Are you in your nest? Did I just say the color of the week? No, I said the word of the week. Good job, guys. And let me see. Birdies. Oh, what did I find? It's our bird. And he's kind of hanging out. And I think he wants to get the food. Look, he's got some bird seed and some sun butter. And he's going to eat it all up. Are you going to eat it all up? And he has his little wings. Birdie, I see you. I see you. You guys go out and hunt for birdies too.